Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily create a WordPress pop-up form. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, we need to install 2 plugins. So go to plugins and click on add new and search here WP Forms. Install this plugin, activate, and again click on add new and search here pop-up maker, and install this plugin, activate. Now let's see how to create a basic forms. Hover over on WP Forms, add new, so you can start from a blank form and you can take a simple contact form. So I'm going to use this template. So first of all, you have to set up this form. So I'm going to set up this form. Okay, when your form editing is finished, click on save. Okay, now our form is ready. Now I'm again going to my WordPress dashboard. And now click on pop-up maker and click on create pop-up, and give your pop-up name and pop-up title, give here, and click on add form. Click on this drop down and select your pop-up which you want to add. So I'm going to add this one, add form, and scroll down and click on this add new trigger. Click here and select time delay autoplay, add, and you can change the time from here, add. And now click on targeting and click on this little option here, and from here select the page or post where you want to add the pop-up. So I'm going to select home page, then click on display, and here I'm going to select center pop-up appearance. From here you can change the pop-up theme style. I'm going to select here light box size. From here you can change the pop-up size, width, max width, animation. From here you can change the animation, sounds, position, advanced. So after that, click on publish. And now if I open my website, and here we can see my pop-up form are showing up here. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.